Looking for a reliable supply and fix service for your floor deck? You're in the right place. We supply and install the full range of tartan floor or roof deck profiles from CF46 to CF100. Also the Met Floor range of profiles and First Steel's floor and roof deck profiles, backed by decades of experience and trusted technical support. Our installers work efficiently and safely, being facet registers and NVQ2 metal deck and stud welders. Our deckers are safety netters as well to make for a very efficient install. We deliver a professional finish that's ready for your team to mesh and concrete, or we can cover that scope off as well. Just ask when you make your inquiry. Please send us the structural GAs of the area you'd like decked and any elevations to show us the slab pitch and arrangement. We'll mark up the area and quote the specified material. If you're not sure of what you want, then just ask us. We'll check your structural supports and run a calculation for you to ask your engineer. We've helped hundreds of architects and engineers to determine the best profile for their circumstances. We can do the same for you. Contact us to help. We can get the project on track and ensure it runs smoothly for you. Just click on the page next to me and fill in the form and download your drawing.